There we go. Well, guys, we're here with Tucker Hardy and myself, but guess where we are? We're not in Ontario. We're in Prince Edward Island. And I came out here for a nice family vacation with my son and my wife, and we were hoping to, spend some time at some beaches and eat a lot of lobster is what we're basically trying to do. But there was a problem. I drove through a town called Shediac, and it's like got this giant lobster out front. And then right as I was sitting down eating lobsters, I seen this sign saying, this weekend, there's a monster truck show with a demolition derby. And I said to her, would you be mad if I bought a car and went to the demolition derby? She hemmed and hawed about it. But then she was like, you do you. And then we went and seen Tucker. And Tucker's like, hey man, if you have a derby car, I'm gonna go get a derby car. So we have no tools. We're on our way to go look at a second derby car because I've already bought mine. I can't tell you what it is. And then we're gonna go to this guy's house that he knows and maybe borrow his trailer, but apparently the trailer needs all new lights put on it. So yeah, let's go try this out. Hopefully this doesn't go to complete shit. If it's a little bit of shit, like dog or cat, I'm fine with that. But if it's horse shit, I'm peacing out of this. So it's like what, 6:30, and his buddy says he's leaving in about 20 minutes. So we're rushing to his house to go take a look at this trailer. So this thing's not healthy, is it? Well, guys, there's the beautiful red dirt of PI, and there's the sound bar. We listen to music in this apparently, but that's okay.
Yeah, because it is.
Roar! Let's go look at some cars. So, Tucker went out, and this is the vehicle we got for Tucker. What is this thing? This is a 2007-ish. No idea, Toyota Yaris. Here's the cool part. Studded tires for the extra grippies.
0408.
2008. Nice. So we're gonna jump some fuses underneath there, that way they don't blow. But here's the cool part. Tucker, he's got Emmanuel. So this is what we're packing for my car, just a little bit of random wiring, a knife, a screwdriver, a socket set. But as we're going through Tucker's, oh, we got a helmet in there. As we're going through Tucker's car, getting it ready for the derby, we found 3 types of cheese in the trunk. So we have great shredded marble cheese that looks like it's been there a while that I don't really want to touch. That looks like an applesauce right there. We're not going to touch that either. And underneath here you have Tostitos cheese. Oh, what's the third type of cheese in here? Fomunda cheese. So we got 3 types of cheese in the trunk, but we got this thing strapped down. We're gonna be towing her off the island here tomorrow, and then we gotta go pick up my car that I bought off Facebook Marketplace. Oh, you gotta polish up, shine up that bumper. So the dust is just falling off. But we gotta go pick up my car tomorrow morning. So you guys are gonna have to wait to see what I bought. We were driving through a town with the family, and then I seen a sign that says Monster Truck Show this weekend. And I was like, oh, cool. And I was like, oh, we'll see how much the tickets are. We can come and watch the monster trucks. And then they're like, and there's a demolition derby. And I was like, oh. So I did the math. It is more expensive for me to buy a car off Facebook Marketplace, drive it there, pay to get it off the island, because you got to pay $50 to get off PEI. That's how they trick you. Free to get on and $50 to get off. And then we got to drive an hour off the island to get to the derby. And apparently the gas tank leaks. So if we run out of fuel going across the bridge, we're just going to push it. Because the bridge is like, what, 12 kilometers?
Yeah.
About 12 kilometers. That's like almost 8.5 miles long. Anyway, we're going to pack spare gas. We're going to get it across the bridge. We're going to derby it, leaking gas everywhere. Screw them. Because we'll explain the rules once we get to the derby. But here's Tucker's car. And you guys got to wait to see mine. So we'll be seeing you guys there later today. So They're having a monster truck show here today. This actually looks like an actual half-decent monster truck rally. If you take a look, oh, let me get the camera pointed the right way. I guess they have free Cybertruck test drives. And then we got an actual couple of monster trucks down there. We have 4 of them, 5 of them. I think one of them's like gives the rides to the kids. And like they've actually got cars to run over. That's amazing. Like nowhere does this in Ontario anymore. They got school bus jumps. Look at that, a school bus jump way over there and another one there. Here comes the monster truck. Extreme Dave. That doesn't look too extreme, Dave. Oh, is he gonna do some stunts? He's gonna run over some cars. Come on, Dave, do something extreme. I think the Cybertruck's going faster. Pretty cool speedway though. I like that they're doing this. So I've never once derbied here in New Brunswick. I've never seen a demolition derby of New Brunswick on TV. Nothing. So I don't really know what to expect. These guys over here are working on their Buick. We got Tucker's car here on the trailer, and we got my Camry, and Tucker's already started. He's smashing the taillights out of it.
Oh, I'm taking my plates off.
Oh, he's taking his plates off. Did you get a video of the moose?
Yeah.
So while he was driving this thing here, he almost hit a damn moose. Can you believe that? Like, what's the chances of hitting a moose on the way to the derby track? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this thing all set up for the demolition derbies. What do we have to do? I think we got to take the windows out. We're gonna take the spare tires out of it. I'd like to put a strap around the gas tank, and then I would like to take out the airbags. And I think that's all we're gonna do. Let's get going on this. So what we were told to do was take it out back behind the hedges in the forest, and then they want us to smash out all the glass. And this is according to their head tech. So these East Coaster boys, man. This is a whole new definition of stock glass out here. So we are going to be running a ratchet strap around the gas tank underneath this. Mostly because I don't want my gas tank falling out, because if my gas tank falls out, that's no good. And then the other thing is I want to take all the interior. I want to take all the interior and pretty much put it in the trunk. Is this frowned upon? I don't think they really care. And the reason for that is I think it's going to put more cushion for the pushing inside the trunk. So I'm going to take like the rear seat, all the floor mats, anything that I can pretty much rip out with my hands and throw inside the trunk. So windows are out. Let's just clean off the glass and then we'll go start building this thing. So there wasn't a great turnout here today. Apparently yesterday was a much better turnout. We have this Ford Fusion. We have the Buick over there. Oh, hopefully the Buick gets going. Yes, the Buick's running. We have Tucker and his Yaris, and we have me and my Camry. So they got us doing a couple of different races. They got us doing a backwards figure 8, and then they got us doing a backwards race and then a barrel race. So we'll have to see how this does. So let's take a look at this car. We haven't done anything with the views panel. I wanted to, I just haven't got to it yet. We ran the battery cables because I was told I didn't need to do that, and then I was told I needed to do that. And then we got the windows rolled down, we got our number on the side, battery in the passenger seat. And this isn't required, but I did put a ratchet strap around the gas tank, so this should be pretty good. So guys, here's how it's gonna go. We have to do a... Oh, my car died. That's not good. have to do a reverse figure 8 or a reverse race. And then we have to do a regular race, and then we have to do a bump and run race. I think it's going to be fun as hell. I don't think I'm going to turn her off because the starter and I are not getting along. So I just packed my handy dandy starter tool. But not really sure what's going to go on here. It ran good all the way here. Now it doesn't want to stay running. What was it? No idea. It just died and then it wouldn't start and then the starter wouldn't turn it over.
Must have got nervous.
Yeah, knows it's about to die. We're halfway across Ontario here in New Brunswick, and guess what? We bought some derby cars. We're gonna go have some fun here at this racetrack. Who wants to see these videos come up on Zach's workshop? These things are stock. Factory gas tank, tail lights, the windshield, the wipers, headlights, studded tires. There's nothing in that transmission.
With our monster trucks, if somebody wants to take care of that, maybe we can find Jack. He's probably got a key since that's what he does for a real job. Runs an excavator, company trucks.
I think I.
Is it moving?
No, like the shifter's moving. The car isn't.
Oh,
The axle's not broken. Did he put his park and it stopped? If I could reset it or something.
I mean, that doesn't even clunk on the park, eh?
It's not a broken axle. So look it, that's reverse. Put it in park, and I can't push it. So it's not a broken axle.